Hey there, in today's video, I am going to walk you through starting an LLC in Vermont, step by step. So, why should you consider forming your LLC in Vermont? Well, Vermont offers some unique advantages for business owners. The state has a strong reputation for environmental consciousness and social responsibility, which can be great for your brand image. Plus, Vermont has a thriving small business community and offers various programs to support local entrepreneurs. The state also maintains relatively straightforward filing requirements and reasonable fees compared to many other states. Now, let me show you the simplest way to get your LLC up and running in Vermont. I actually recommend using Taylor Brands for this process. You see, they make everything incredibly straightforward and handle all the complicated paperwork for you. Here is how it works with Taylor Brands. You simply visit their website, input some basic information about your business, like your company name and contact details, and they take care of pretty much everything else. They will prepare and file your articles of organization, provide you with a registered agent service, and even help you create an operating agreement. The thing is, Taylor Brands really stands out because they offer comprehensive branding services alongside their LLC formation package. This means you can get your legal structure set up and establish a professional brand identity all in one place. They will help you with things like logo design, business cards, and even website creation. Let me break down what you are looking at in terms of costs. With Taylor Brands, the basic LLC formation package starts at $349, which includes the state filing fee of $125. This covers your articles of organization filing and registered agent service for the first year. Then you have got some optional add-ons like their premium branding package for an additional $199, which includes custom logo design and basic marketing materials. Finally, there are extras like an EIN registration service for $69 if you want them to handle that for you as well. On the other hand, if you prefer to handle things yourself, here is how to form your Vermont LLC manually. First, you will need to choose a unique name for your LLC. The name must include Limited Liability Company, LLC, or LLC, and you can check availability through the Vermont Secretary of State's website. Next, you will need to select a registered agent. This can be yourself if you have a physical address in Vermont, or you can choose a registered agent service. The registered agent must be available during regular business hours to receive legal documents on behalf of your business. Then comes filing your articles of organization. You can do this online through the Vermont Secretary of State's website. The filing fee is $125, and you will need to provide information like your business name, registered agent details, and principal office address. After filing your articles of organization, there are a few more steps to consider. You should create an operating agreement which basically outlines how your LLC will be managed. While Vermont does not legally require this document, it is definitely recommended, especially if you have multiple members in your LLC. You will also want to get an EIN, Employer Identification Number, from the IRS. This is free and can be done online in about 15 minutes. The EIN acts like a social security number for your business, and you will need it to open a business bank account or hire employees. Now, here is something important to remember. Once your LLC is formed, you will need to file an annual report with the Vermont Secretary of State. This is due within 3 months of your fiscal year end, and there is a filing fee of $35. You will also need to keep up with any local permits or licenses required for your specific type of business. So, what is the best way to form your Vermont LLC? Well, if you want a hassle-free experience and could benefit from additional branding services, I would definitely recommend going with Taylor Brands. They make the whole process super simple and provide excellent value with their branding packages. But if you are comfortable handling government forms and do not mind spending some time on the process, the DIY route is certainly doable. Just make sure you stay organized and follow all the required steps carefully. Alright, if you are ready to get started with your Vermont LLC, I have included a link to Taylor Brands in the description below. They will guide you through the entire process and make sure everything is filed correctly. And hey, if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more business tips and guides. Drop any questions you have in the comments section below. I am always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your new Vermont LLC.